Hey everybody, it's Matt from Fine & Country at Solihull with the property market update for January 2024. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a fantastic New Year. And we did. We were away. We went a little bit of travelling. Mexico, it's fantastic. So I'm going to give you a little bit of insight into is it the right time to sell your property? So should I sell my house now? Well, the answer to that is definitely yes. Now might be the opportune moment to list your property. Despite a recent dip in average house prices and speculation about further declines in 2024, several factors make it a favourable time to sell. Now, especially for those with buy-to-let properties or second homes, capitalising on the past growth could prove advantageous. But why now? While market trends are crucial, circumstances often drive home sales. Life events such as death, debt, divorce, job relocation, downsizing or expanding families necessitate moves regardless of market conditions. Now, homeowners prioritise their unique situations, understanding that their homes represent substantial financial assets. Now, the current property market dynamics, we've all been hearing about it. Higher mortgage rates have definitely impacted the market activity, and house prices in January 2024 so far, according to Nationwide's House Price Index, the average UK house price in December 2023 experienced a 1.8% decrease compared to the previous year. However, an ongoing mortgage price war has led to improved mortgage rates, benefiting prospective buyers. Now, 2024 housing market forecast, what to expect? While some experts predict a 1% to a 3% decline in house prices in 2024, a crash is not anticipated. Contrary to past speculations, prices may even end up the year higher than they started. Now, it's worth noting that similar predictions in 2023 did not materialise as house prices remained resilient. Now, market activity. Are houses selling? What do you think? Now, market activity has seen a recent dip, with the HMRC data indicating 81,000 transactions in November 2023, the lowest in a decade. However, a Boxing Day bounce marked a significant upswing, with a record number of sellers listing their properties. Now, Rightmove reported a 26% increase in new seller listings compared to the previous record in 2022, signalling positive momentum. Now, in conclusion, despite fluctuations and speculations, current conditions present a viable opportunity to sell your home. Whether driven by personal circumstances or strategic financial decisions, understanding the market dynamics can help you make an informed choice. If you're considering a move, being proceedable on the market with finances in order is key in navigating the current real estate landscape. Because myself as an agent within the Solihull area and the Redditch area, a lot of my vendors don't want to show their property to somebody that's not proceedable, because we have bespoke marketing strategies in place. And what we do is we have the open house, and obviously we like to put a time frame in for our vendors. So if you're thinking about viewing a property, most important, make sure your property is on the market, and even better, let's look at being proceedable. So you've got an offer on the table, you're either a cash buyer or you've got a mortgage in principle, because a proceedable buyer will always be in favour over somebody that isn't. Now, just going back to the data for the Solihull area, okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on what's happening. So the total properties on the market today across the Solihull borough is 572 properties on the market. Now, 219 of those are sold subject to contract. That's 38% of those properties are actually sold subject to contract. Now, this is between £500,000 to, up into the millions, up into the upper quartile. So let's split the data and let's have a look at this. So from the 500,000 to a million, you've got 495 properties are actually currently for sale on the market, and 41% of those are actually sold subject to contract. So it's still a buyer's market out there. And the 1 million bracket upwards, you've got 77 properties are actually currently on the market in the borough of Solihull, and 14 of those are sold subject to contract, so it's an 18%. So across the board, you're looking at a 38% of the properties are actually sold subject to contract. So yeah, it's still a buyer's market out there, but we are in for a bumper February. So if you're thinking about going to market, you're thinking about getting a valuation, then please contact me on any of my details. You can contact the office or give me a call or even give me a DM on my social media. Listen, thanks very much for now, and I'll be back with you with an update next month. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.